The popularity of forums like Facebook and Instagram that let us share our pics easily with people across the world has meant that we want pro-level quality in every slice of our life that we put up online. Thankfully, this has been supported by a slew of cameras and smartphones that offered the kind of photography expertise we couldn't have imagined till a few years back. One niche in all these products that has really taken off is that of wearable cameras, devices that let you capture stunning still images or video while you are involved in an activity, providing an amazing first-person angle. Our main product today is a wearable camera too, and comes from GoPro, one of the young Turks in the camera market and a company that has given older players a run for their money. But there's more than just the camera in our coverage today, and we'll get to that later.
Here we go!
The GoPro HERO5 Session is a major step up for the company from its already revolutionary Hero Session camera. It retains the now familiar ice cube-sized form factor of the previous generation camera, but packs some real punch with this diminutive body that weighs a little over 8 pounds. The HERO5 Session lets you capture ultra-high definition 4K video at 30 frames per second and 1080p video at 90 frames per second, in addition to 10 megapixel photos at bursts of up to 30 frames per second, ensuring that all your adventures are captured in absolutely true-to-life quality and without missing a single precious moment. Wearable cameras are intended for users on the move, which means that these devices need to be tough as a nail. The HERO5 body is waterproof up to depths of 33 inches and is shock resistant, so even without a protective housing, it can survive fairly rough handling. Another familiar and much loved feature carried over from the previous version is the one-button interface for accessing menu functions. Even when the camera is off, pressing the record button switches it on and it immediately starts recording. Hands-free control is also possible using the built-in voice control or the free mobile app. Other features like Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, time-lapse and free apps from GoPro, Capture and Quick that facilitate processing elements like live preview and quick editing all enhance the functionality of the camera. But, as we said, there's more. The product we are covering is part of a top-value kit, which includes an amazing set of accessories. Some of these are a chest strap, a head strap, an adjustable handlebar, an extendable monopod, tripod mount, suction cup mount, USB card reader, a SanDisk 32GB ultra memory card, and several additional items. With all these features and accessories to boot, this GoPro kit looks like a real good option for anyone interested in a high-end, versatile camera. Let's check out the performance in user reviews. The best-in-class quality of the GoPro HERO5 Session camera, further enhanced by its many accessories, earned the kit an impressive average score of 4.2 on 5 stars. That's all we have on the GoPro HERO5 Session kit for now. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Looking for something else? Take a look at our other reviews for wearable cameras here on Next Tech Review. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.